Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again, that is at CURIOCHEMISTry. So today we are going to talk about the pattern of the CSIR net exam, and this is particularly for the chemical science as the channel is related to the CURIOCHEMISTry. Yes, we are completing other subjects also, but yes, specifically we are talking on chemical science. Okay, I hope you know already what is the exam and what are the eligibility for this exam. But yes, today I'm going to talk about something else. So we have to understand the first exam, then only it will be easy for us to crack it, right? So chemical science subject has 200 marks and it has three parts, that is part A, part B and part C. Yes, we are talking about here about the mark system and the how many marks we have to like get in that. Okay, but not about the like categories. I'm not talking about the how much marks you have to get it, but yes, we are today discussing about the marks, negative markings, how many questions are there and how many questions you have to attempt, and yes, weightage up to the topics. So we have three parts, that is part A, part B and part C, which has the, you can see here, part A is having 20 questions and part B is having 40 questions and part C is having 60 questions. So here you can see for part A 2 marks are there, means each question 2 marks, each correct answer, right? And for part B also it has the 2 marks for one question. If you give the correct answer, you will get the 2 marks. So part A and part B is having same marks, that is 2 marks. But in part C you can see 60 questions are there and each question is having 4 marks. Understand, each question is having 4 marks. So here negative marking for each part, but before moving for the negative marking we have to understand how many questions we have to solve. See, after doing this total of this we are getting the 120 questions, and if you count together, yes, you will get how many how many marks, that is 300 marks, but actually the this exam is having 200 marks. So for that purpose you have to only attempt, right, or solve only 15 questions. Okay, from part A, from part A you have to solve only 15 questions. You have to count down, yes, and you have to select how many questions. Yes, 15 questions, no more than 15, only 15 from part A, and from part B only 35. Okay, only 35 you have to attempt, and from part C you have to attempt only 25, and you have to understand and you have to select wisely which questions I have to solve, that I can get the correct answer. If you are confident enough that about the question, then only you have to solve that. Okay, and then how many questions you are solving at the last, that is 75 questions, and you will get, that is for 75 questions 200 marks, means you have to solve only for 200 marks. Okay, so let's talk about the negative marking for part A and part B. 0.5, that is a negative marking, and but point for part C -1. Okay, 1 marks will be deducted for wrong answer. So this is all about the mark systems and questions. How many questions are there? How many questions you have to solve? No need to solve all like how we do for other exams. Yes, this is little bit different. So let's talk about the weightage. Particularly this is for the chemistry. That's why I have only put in that the only topics from the chemistry. So here, stereochemistry, you will see the questions, 10 to 11 questions you will see, and for reactions and mechanisms you will see 24 to 25 questions. Okay, you can guess that you have to do this part, this topic frequently, and you have to do revise up on this topic. Then reagents, 22 and 23 questions. For pericyclic plus photochemistry, 17 and 18 questions, 17 to 18 questions. Biomolecules, 9 to 10 questions. You can ignore this, but yes, little bit you have to look out for the topic, what exactly topic is. Then name reaction, 10 to 11 questions. Then organic spectroscopy, 15 to 16 questions. Heterocyclic chemistry, 7 to 8 questions. Yes, they will ask you about the comparison here. Okay, comparison between heterocyclic compounds, right? Then chemical bonding, 9 to 10. Then bio inorganic chemistry, 8 to 9 questions, and organic organometallic chemistry. This is a favorite topic of CSIR, right? So 24 to 25 questions. Then main block, which has a block, P block, D block. So you will see the questions, 11 to 12 questions on this topic. Then last one, that is coordination chemistry, 11 to 22 questions. So overall, we have to focus on reactions, the second topic, then reagents, okay, mora, then organometallic, then this one main block, and coordination chemistry. Okay, so these are the in the focus. Then after doing these, then you will go for the next topics. Okay, so that's it I want to share with you all. Yes, we will see one by one topics in our coming videos. Okay, if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe my channel to get more such videos on particularly related to stereochemistry, even for the CTET exam, which is in the same month, that is December. Okay, so all the best for your preparation. Together we are doing. Thanks for watching.